Hi, I'm Susan from Susan Newman Design, and we're at Mission 50 in Hoboken learning YouTube. In this video, we're going to learn how to use iFrames to boost views. Maybe you want to get more views to your YouTube videos. You might want to put one on your site in a blog post. You're sending more people to your site, as well as those who just stumble across your video on YouTube. You have two opportunities to add search engine optimization tags to both your blog post and your video on YouTube. So let's say we're going to add a video here. We're going to add the iframe code. You'll see in this example I've switched from the visual mode to the text mode, which is the code mode. I'm going to go back to my YouTube video, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on the share, and then I'm going to click on this embed link. It'll pop up with the code and a size. You can make it whatever size you want. Pick from one of the selections, or you can do a custom size. Maybe you want to fit it into a specific spot on your site. I'm going to just go with the 640. I'm going to grab that code and copy it, and then I'm going to go back to my blog post, and I'm going to paste. I'm going to paste that iframe code in there. And I'm just going to pick something random here. And now what we can do is do a preview. And you'll see that the video is now in this space. And that's how you add the iframe code to boost YouTube plays. I hope that tip was helpful. For more information, visit me online at Susan Newman Design. Thank you.